Hey, it's Aran here. I'm going to show you how to use the custom domain as part of your Kajabi website. Now, this process is applicable to any software, really. Every software will look different, but this is the Kajabi setup. Basically, what it means is I'm telling Kajabi that the domain that my email is going to come from, which is contact@aranbukai.com, is actually owned by me. So basically, I'm going to copy and paste these records. It's called the TXT records, MX records, CNAME records. You don't have to worry about what those things mean. What you do is I'm going to create a new record. So this is my website where I've got my domain. I go to DNS and name service. I know this is all like a different language. Click on Add DNS record. Now I'm going to copy this, which is the host, KGBM, this one. I'm going to paste it in. Select type. So this was TXT. Now I'm going to copy on this value, which is the content. I'm going to make it auto. If it gives me the option, that's game. I'm just going to do an hour. That's fine. Doesn't matter. Now I'm going to click on Add DNS. Now I'm going to do the next one. Copy this. Select TXT. Copy this as the value. Make it 1 hour. Click on Add DNS. Next one. This is MX records. KGBM, like this. Paste it in. MX record. Content. 1 hour. Now you notice it says here priority 10. So I'm going to put priority 10. Add. Next one. Like this. MX. Copy. Paste it in. Auto. And 20. And the last one. This is adding a CNAME. Choose CNAME. Content. 1 hour. Add DNS. Okay, now that I've done it, I'm going to click on Re-Verify. And it says here we are now verifying. It may take 48 hours and so on. So I will get an email when it's all done. And then basically what it means is now when I want to send emails, I'll be able to send it from my actual email address. So you'll notice here right now my emails are being sent from .comtruths@v.kajabimail.net. And I'm getting the replies here. And now this is now in progress, and once it's all good, it will be sent from this email address. Okay, so that's what I'm waiting for. Now I know this can be a little bit technical. If you want me to personally help you to actually do this for you, me or my VA team, there'll be a link somewhere around this video where you can actually sign up to pay for a one-on-one session where I will actually do this for you, because I know it can be a little bit technical, overwhelming, depending on what software you're using and stuff like that. So if you are interested in that, we can definitely do that. That's about it. Thanks a lot. I'll speak to you soon.